If you want to add a GIF in Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish in a simple and beginner-friendly way. GIFs are a great way to make your email campaigns more engaging, more visual, and a lot more eye-catching. Whether you want to highlight a product, add some motion to your newsletter, or just make your content feel more dynamic, Mailchimp makes it easy once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the email editor in Mailchimp where you want to add your GIF. This is the workspace where you build and customize your email, so make sure you're inside the correct campaign before making changes. Once you're in the editor, look for an image block. If you already have one in your layout, you can simply click on it. If not, just drag and drop an image block into your email where you want the GIF to appear. This block is what allows Mailchimp to insert visual content into your message. After selecting the image block, click Add. This opens the content selection options, where you can choose the type of media you want to insert. From here, look for Giphy and click on it. Mailchimp connects with Giphy, so you can search through a wide range of animated GIFs directly inside the editor. Once the Giphy section opens, browse the list or search for a GIF that fits your email. You can pick one that matches your brand, your message, or the tone of your campaign. After you find the GIF you want, click on it to select it. Then, click Insert to place the GIF into your email. At this point, the GIF should appear inside your Mailchimp design, and you can continue editing the rest of your email around it. Make sure to preview how it looks, so you can confirm the animation and placement work well with your layout. If needed, you can adjust the surrounding text, spacing or image alignment to make everything look polished. When you're happy with the design, don't forget the final step. Click Save and Exit to save your changes and leave the editor safely. That way, your GIF is added and your email is ready for the next stage, whether that's testing, scheduling, or sending. And that's how you add a GIF in Mailchimp. It's a quick process once you know where to find the image block and Giphy integration. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.